from A to Z, so much to know. Learning letters, this is my show. Clap your hands, move your body. The alphabet is for everybody. Juno the jaguar runs wild and free, jumping through jungles beside the tree. His golden spots sparkle under the sun. He chases the wind just for fun. With every roar he says, come play with me. He's brave, he's strong, full of energy. Juno's a jaguar, a mammal so fine. J is for jolly, a joyful feline. Jingle the J sings high on a pine. Her feathers shimmer blue like sunshine. She flutters and twirls in morning dew, whistling tunes both bright and new. From branch to branch she loves to play. Sweet and joy me, learn today. Jingle the J, a bird who can rhyme. J is for jump in a jazzy time. Jellabella jellyfish swims in the sea, wiggling softly and gracefully. She glows in the dark with colors bright, like tiny lanterns in ocean eyes. She floats around where the coral sway, dancing to waves in her gentle way. J, J, J. Jellybella's a jellyfish from the deep blue line. J is for jiggly, like jewels that shine. Fun from A to Z, every word means the world to me. I learn, I dance, I sing along. Learning letters makes me strong. Jack's the chameleon, hides in the trees, changing his colors with magical ease. He blinks one eye, then two at you. Green to gold, then maybe blue. He moves so slow, but looks so cool, blending in the jungle's rule. Jack's a chameleon, a reptile so fine. J is for jazzy, with jungle design. Jazzy the June bug hums in the night, wings like emeralds catch the light. She buzzes and giggles with friends in the air, dancing in moonlight without a care. Round and round the garden she flies, drawing big circles in starlit skies. Jazzy the June bug, an insect divine. J is for joyful, a jewel so shine. I'm learning the alphabet, look at me. Learning has never been so easy. Every song teaches me new words. I sing each letter and write in my world. A, B, C, those words will be mine. D, E, F, I sing and dance, this my time. G, H, I learn every line. J to Z, it is my time to shine. Sing with me the alphabet, the best song you can get. Yeah, yeah, letters are fun from A to Z. Every word means the world to me. I learn, I dance, I sing along. Learning letters makes me strong. Now we've met the J team crew. Juno, Jingle, Jellabella too. Jax and Jazzy joined the play. They taught us J in a joyful way. Jump, sing, dance, and shout hooray. We're learning letters every day. J is for journeys, joy, and glee. Alphabet fun for you